Welcome to this tutorial on the analyzefields command in Splunk search processing language. The analyzefields command is a powerful tool that helps you analyze field values for patterns, types, and data quality issues. It automatically examines your data and provides insights into the structure and characteristics of your fields. This command is essential for anyone working with data analysis in Splunk, especially when you need to understand the nature of your data before proceeding with complex searches and analytics. The analyzefields command is a powerful SPL command that examines field values to discover patterns, data types, and quality issues. When you run this command, it automatically categorizes fields as numeric, string, boolean, or null values. This is particularly useful when you are working with new datasets or when you need to understand the composition of your data. The command provides a comprehensive overview of each field in your search results, making it easier to identify data inconsistencies and plan your analysis approach. The basic syntax for the analyzefields command is incredibly simple. You just use the pipe symbol followed by analyzefields. That's it. This simple command analyzes all fields in your search results automatically. There are no required parameters or complex configurations needed to get started. The command works by examining each field in your data and generating a summary report that includes various statistics and characteristics about the field values. When you run the analyzefields command, it generates several key output fields that provide valuable insights about your data. The field column shows the name of each analyzed field. The type column indicates the data type, which can be number, string, boolean, or unknown. The count field tells you the total number of values for that field across all your events. The distinct underscore count field shows how many unique values exist for each field. These 4 fields form the foundation of the analysis report. Beyond the basic fields, analyzefields provides additional valuable information. The is_exact field indicates whether field values match exactly across events, which helps identify fields with consistent formatting. For numeric fields specifically, you get 3 additional statistical measures. Min shows the minimum value, max shows the maximum value, and mean provides the average value. These numeric statistics are only calculated for fields that are identified as having numeric data types, giving you immediate insights into the distribution of your numerical data. Here's a practical example of how to use the analyzefields command. Start with index equals web_logs to specify your data source. Then use head 1000 to limit the analysis to the first 1000 events, which helps with performance and gives you a manageable sample size. Finally, pipe the results to analyzefields. This example analyzes the first 1000 weblog events to understand field patterns and data types. This approach is particularly useful when working with large datasets where you want to get a quick understanding before analyzing the entire dataset. The analyzefields command serves 2 primary use cases in Splunk. First, it's excellent for data discovery when you're exploring unknown datasets to understand field types and patterns. This is particularly valuable when you inherit a new data source or when onboarding new log types. Second, it's essential for data quality assessment, helping you identify null values, data inconsistencies, and field completeness issues. By understanding these aspects of your data, you can make informed decisions about data cleansing, validation, and processing strategies. To summarize, the analyzefields command is a simple yet powerful tool in your Splunk toolkit. Despite its straightforward syntax, it provides comprehensive field analysis capabilities that can save you significant time in data exploration. The command is essential for data discovery and quality assessment workflows, making it a must-know tool for anyone serious about data analysis in Splunk. Remember that this command works best with sample datasets, so consider using head or other limiting commands when working with very large data volumes to ensure optimal performance. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.